Hi you guys, so I'm here to teach you how to make either makeup holders or really any kind of holders that you have for your your beauty room, or if you want to just make your house look fancy and you're on a budget. I'm here to give you my advice on how to do it. So I have a old wet wipe. I took all the wipes out, and so I have these jars I got from Walmart. I have 2 of them. And so I'm going to, of course, take the quarter out because we don't need that right now. I was using these jars for saving money, but we got that under control. So, and that being said, what we're gonna do is, of course, take the wrapping off. Take the wrapping off on these. Throw it away. Then, of course, take your top off. And so, my thing is, you can choose between, honestly and truly, if you're really creative, hand paint, go get some paints from like Walmart, Michael's, Joann's, or me, if you really semi-lazy, but not really lazy, but still want to be creative, go get a spray can. So this one is the gold metallic, and I got this from Walmart like 2 years ago. So I found it. I was like, you know what, let me use it. So I had spray painted my drawer gold, and it looks really nice. Like, it came out really good. And so they say you can also bonds to plastic. So it's metallic and it's bright gold, so it shows up really good. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I got gloves on because I didn't want it to get on me, on my hands. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Once it dries, it's gonna be so pretty on there. Oh, yes. And I have a shirt on from my husband's clothing line. If you want a shirt, just comment below or Snapchat or DM me on Instagram for pricing. And then you're gonna go lay it down somewhere. With the glass ones, you can honestly take it, open it, put some, like, I would prefer like those beads that you can put like at the end of your braids, or like some fake diamonds that they have at Walmart. So with the jars, I'm not gonna paint them, but what you can do, well, what I did, I took some old wrapping paper that you get for like gifts, and just put it in there. Okay, so just take some paper. I'm gonna rip it in half. Some hard ass paper, sheesh. Okay, take it, put it in there. Take your brushes. And there you go. Something cute. Okay. Got the other one. I'm gonna put paper in there. Take your brushes. Alright, and then you got this one. I already put green paper in there. It's finished drying, so I'm gonna put some yellow paper in there. Just for the simple fact of the brushes can't fit in there without some already being in there. So I went ahead and put it in there, even though you can't see it. Put your brushes. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this video. So, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. Just comment down below if you want me to do more DIYs. You know, bougie on a budget. So, yeah. So, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook at Alexis Star. And thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.